So what I've done here is I wanted to pick 3 boards that had about equal weathering on them as well as mildew. And one of the things that I wanted to do was compare these side by side. So here on the left we have Restore-A-Deck. It came in a powder form and I mixed it. It's about a cup for every gallon. You can see it's already starting to foam at the top. I'm guessing that's oxidation that's happening. This board I left untouched. I'm going to just power wash it. And then this one is with the Olympic Deck Cleaner. So we'll go ahead and power wash these. We're gonna let them set for another 5 minutes, power wash them, and see what they look like. So here's what we're working with. This is the before, this is the after. Look at the difference. You can really see the browns and even the reds starting to come back through the wood. And this is just with one pass. I haven't even put the brightener on yet. This is just with the cleaner. It's amazing what a little bit of product and power washing can do. Before, after. So we're getting close to the end of the day. This is the product that we've been using, Restore-A-Deck, and look at the difference. Here's before, and here is after. Before, after. Look at the difference it's made. I know that the wood is still wet, but you can see reds and browns starting to really come through when all it looked like was gray. It's a beautiful day. The day started out gray, and man is it bright. Just like this wood. What's up everybody? CJ here again with Viewrail for day 4 of the Stay Home DIY series. If you've been following along with us, you know that we are in the middle of preparing our deck, getting ready to install our express cable railing system. So we've been preparing the deck, we're getting close to the staining phase, and after the staining phase will come the installation phase of our express cable railing. We can't wait to see the transformation and what it's going to look like. Yesterday we were cleaning off the deck with our power washer and with some cleaner, and just to show you guys again, here is the difference. You can kind of see what it looked like before and what it is coming out like after.